All right, good afternoon, YouTube. This afternoon we're fixing a burned out brake light in my wife's 2011 328i. Just had her step on the brake when it was running. This one right here, this bulb is burned out on the brake light side, which puts an annoying warning light on the dash. So here I am fixing it. Okay, the first step is going to be remove this inner panel that covers the battery and exposes the taillights. Doesn't get much easier than that. And then, as you can see, the back of the taillight assembly is available to get to the bulbs. All right. Push down on both of these tabs. Sorry. Down on this tab and down on this tab. This is the corresponding brake light bulb that's burned out. Okay, literally just twist and reinstall the bulb. Make sure you line it up straight. With that satisfying click, and plug it back in. You want to just test to make sure that your bulb warning light goes out, and put the cover back on and you're good to go. Hope this helped. Please subscribe and like the channel. Thanks.